I will give unto Caesar.
I will give unto Caesar.
What is Caesar's?
What is Caesar's?
Now, dance for me. For I know you can do better than that.
Yes, sir.
You can do better than that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For I know you can do better than that.
Yes, sir. And that is, sir.
You can do better than that.
Yes. Yes.
Now dance unto your eternity.
No.
We give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Let the night bear witness. Let the river carry the name that from this flesh power shall manifest. He that brings the flesh crowns the throne. He that offers the blood feasts with the lords of sacrifice. For power to be given, life.
Ada Washington. Ado Wanine.
Daddy.
The only lady who lives in Nigeria and earns her fees from the streets of Washington.
Says the man who has fallen in love with a tennis court. Daddy, why will you become world champion?
Oh, it's been in the news. Djokovic has handed over to me. I'm warming up, baby.
Big dreams.
Not too late to chase. I'm gonna catch it.
No problem. Well, Daddy, your breakfast is ready in the kitchen.
All right.
I have to get to work. I'm late, okay?
You know, I ask myself most times, why did God bless me with a smart and beautiful daughter?
God has blessed you.
All right, darling. Break a leg.
I will, Daddy. Have a good day.
Yes.
Bye.
Some people are lucky. I'm amongst them. Okay.
Santiago, Santi, their father.
Already you know. Mariana, I know the level now. A weekend with this, so I got to get updates. I did.
Baba, you know I see the thing now. As a pattern boy, we get swag, we get pattern. I don't catch out that 10 million naira we clear wire me last night.
Baba, feel for Santiago. Boss, you know say my hand it a bomb normally. Yeah. It like what I carry for my leg. Hello. You know they feel me. My maga don't drop $7,000. In 2 days time, another $4,000 dollars enter. Boss boy. I know they play for here now. You know the matter now. You know the workings.
Like yeah. Santi Baba, you know the matter now. I mean plucker is this week. When you relax, 12 million every day with Azama like this week.
No more.
Santio.
These people so pure for the boy, but still hostile. Still hostile for me to see drop from my house. But still get hope. No, you understand?
You know Santiago, they talk.
Normal level.
Even if not 20, collect that.
Yeah, so everybody that body.
Yes,
I can never pay.
Why this boy just one day first me now? I shall be like this, I know they show on love.
They show love.
Santiago know they try.
Oh, but they try up about.
Why this boy never pee?
No.
You dey my house.
they shop free food. Internet where everybody they use free. Now you they use yourself, you no pick. For 8 months, now you never pick. Eh? This place now, hustle, be hustle, you come here go hustle.
No, I dey bomb morning and night. Just be saying never work now, but you supposed to work.
When? Because you see this your story, eh? You don't dey turn national anthem. Last month you no pick. The month before you no pick. When you go pick? This place, you know what this place be? HK. I know what HK be.
I'm not hustling kingdom. Oh.
You dey hear?
Everybody guys hustle.
Which hustle you dey hustle for 8 months where you never pick?
No. Say you get somebody who the flow talk now.
No.
Hope you know now. Hope you know. I get feelings. I know saying he go pay. It's sure for me say he go pay.
You get feelings?
I get the feelings. I dey feel I'm ready to say he go pay. Yeah.
Talk am again.
I said I get feelings saying he go pay very soon.
You be waiting. Here na church. Oh,
No be sure.
No charge you.
white. Why white money they try motivate us? See, from today henceforth, as you no gree pick money, you go pick beans, Everybody wear shower for here. The shower where we do the curing, now you go cook am. You go wash everybody plate. As they mess this place up, come out, you go carry broom, sweep am. You don't understand what they talk?
Santi, never reach like this.
Which one? Which one be saying? Wait. White man, you want to tell me what to do? For my HK? For this HK, now me be the Senate president. So anything where I talk, what for you? I want for you. See, Pamano. I badly don't come out, bring me the other one. Active, one time.
Oh, wait, pass me lights before you go.
Fine lights.
Pass me lights.
Fine lights.
The noise. Asante, baby. Sharp.
What's your photo? Ivy. What's happening?
I suppose they ask you now. You are my own guy. Could you treat me the way you treat me? Why Santiago would mess me up in front of all those small boys?
How be small boys now? It's a local town. You understand? See, for this street, anybody will show you them be your boss. You know, I don't understand. See, even if your brother or your own picking self, as far as you show you road, our boss. All of us when they this HK, so we really give Santiago, you know, in the show us road. Get it, Jack. Which one we say small people?
What you tell me? Bro, what you never do? What you never do for this scene? What you never try do? Everything you want to do, another series, what you they talk? What you they talk?
Sit down. What you there do? See, he's also not even about trial. You're supposed to know this matter, but I don't do it. This also the reward results, not the trial. Understand? But still not see, I will still show you one or two things maybe you still catch clients.
Obi, I beg, help my life. Help me, I beg, that tired. They help me. Help me, man. I don't watch toilet. I wouldn't clean since I beg. I beg, just help my life, I
You
beg.
don't me follow. Watch it toilet, say follow. What's the why? When you bring your messenger, make I show you one or two things. Maybe you say confirm and no. See this page, so you go pump everything within this page. If Oyibo no pay you, maga still dey ass.
Even this one?
The aim now to cash out. Why see? You go bump everything within this side like this. Bump all of them like. Sure you dey get the check?
No, man.
Yes, now every day. No dolly. You go bump them. No message in here to.
This one?
Exactly. Now your paycheck with this. Don't message them. Just they bump them. They go add you back. Once they don't add you back, so you message them. Sharp, one time. Follow up. That's what matters me now. Sharp, nothing. You understand? No rush am, no block the account, no cast am.
No, man.
Once in a while, hey, just see this one.
No, man.
Observe the profile where.
But this guy won't follow. No, man.
This guy, add this person. Well, good, now so soft, so small. Before you know I'm now, everywhere don't.
Thank you, my guy. Thank you for
Just say it.
I said, Mama, just take this thing, wipe shame, come off my face, I beg. But
it's small, just follow up. We did together, my G. Too much.
As the matter be like this, ESCC, they don't carry Pablo, Ife, She-boy. Now the lawyer now a day with her phone, so they tell me so. Say we're gonna need pay like 50 million.
50 million? 50 meter.
Before weekend. Now they say they no go see court. And you see that money, we go raise them for here. Now, they understand me?
So wait till they try to talk to me this time. None of them my ear go sleep. When they get me, if they sleep, text them good morning, make them wake up. Cause that money, when I go raise them. Just they bomb, they go. I don't want to hear anybody sleep. You want peace, bomb. You wake up, you pray, you bomb. You don't understand me?
Meanwhile, why money talks so you get what you want to tell?
I'll tell everybody, say, my client don't pay 800K.
Why did you not break record like this? I swear. I'm like, why did I be about what? I hate table.
Yeah, you see how she smile. I would say you're proud of yourself. Also, don't finally pay.
Yes,
but wait till you forget tell and I say the 800K. The naira no be dolly.
This mad. Now make me jump up and down as I big rich.
Guys, go pay for that congratulations. I swear, you go pay. After no shout finish. 800K.
Now why would I not suppose they rush? As I talk now for ass. No, don't waste congrats, no.
Maybe they do giant play for you.
No one did.
Congrats won't waste, I swear.
Hold on.
Everything be this.
That's how now.
I give you money for HK. They ask me whether everything be this.
Okay. As you know wise, make a break on that. How much you pick again?
800K.
800 good. As a man collect 200. Waiting with me, 600. Out of 600, now I collect 250. Give men way matter for the business. You know how they be.
Of normal level.
Wetin call remain?
350. 350.
Out of the 350, now I collect 150. No be food in a shop.
Yeah, normal level.
Now me they pay for the internet way they here.
No.
This light way they your head, no be me they pay for it.
Normal.
So your money remain 200. Now I give you make you use whole body now.
Santiago. 200, Santiago, 200. You let's see 200, Santiago.
Calm down now. You see money. How could you be asked that? What is this guy? You even see money, they complain. I don't understand. But you calm down and keep money first now.
I don't do it again. I don't do it again. What's up? Give me that. Leave this boy to my boss. This guy.
Hey.
Now, something the first. You're man. You're man.
Now start to say, calm down.
The first time they go, they too much like this. Some the following talk. The flood, join here.
Don't talk matter like that now.
Where are you?
They're supposed to come on your title.
See me upstairs.
Wakana, follow on.
Go upstairs. Follow on. You don't go upstairs. Go. Don't try this thing again, no. They ever give you money? I know. I know. Follow him. I know. Go upstairs. They go upstairs, guy. When you fuck up, I forget this thing busting head. Why you hold me? Why you hold me? See, your guy.
You really want to leave HK, so?
Don't tire. I don't tire. All the clients who I get, none of them they give me money, none of them. This one they planted, I just pay my name and make it sign. You know, it's not for me, what I want to do. I don't want.
So you know they take clear eye, take sign paper.
What I want to do. But the one they talk about $20 million. I don't feel do anything, I went for the no call, what I go do.
$32 billion.
Boss, only people remember this time. Only people.
Okay. What's happen? I say, if you want me to run out quick, you gonna need plus up.
Boss, I beg. I beg. I don't get anything where I don't go to beg. I beg. Show me the way I beg. I could do anything I beg.
You sure say your mind if you carry out?
I swear to God, I could do anything. If you say I can keep person anything, I could do one. I beg.
Babao. My guy here, now I carry come. You want job plan. You want graduate, nah. Make client pay him today, tomorrow. And now why I carry him come with that.
Can he pay the price?
Yes, I can do anything. I just want to cash out. I swear, I can do anything. I just want to cash out.
Step forward. Open your hands. It will cost you one thing. The private part of a girl whose bride price has not been paid.
You talk say you go do anything. I won't see you. You talk 20 meters or you probably.
I will try.
Shaka, Mahula.
Daddy, there's something I've been working on quietly.
Really? I'm keen to know.
Okay. So it's a code called Track It. Now it sniffs up suspicious transactions, tracks the IP address, sends all the data to my cloud space in seconds.
Madam, that's full-scale hacking. What are you up to?
Daddy, the goal is to expose all those politicians that are stealing our fortune, especially those ones that have billions in their offshore accounts, while children are going around begging on the streets. Not on my watch.
Madam, what you have just narrated now is not a child's play. You think these guys will sit and watch you destroy them? They'll come for you.
Daddy, fear is the apron for failure. I'm not scared of whoever comes after me. Yes, I'm after the bigger picture. Besides, if you ask me, this is a war that I already won before it even began.
Madam.
Yes, Daddy.
Don't go looking for trouble where there's none. I will always support, empower you to achieving the vision you have. But I would prefer you channel your energy to some other things. Look, these guys are not normal. They're going to come for you. And, I mean, you're my only boy. You're my only girl. So, I don't want to lose you. Biko.
Daddy, with the pampa. Daddy, don't worry. Nobody is tracking me. It's the other way around. I'm the one tracking them. Besides, Daddy, this is a missile. It only arrives and strikes.
I just don't like your mother.
Daddy.
Alpha.
Right. How you been?
Omo, Ade.
What's your workout with Santiago? How you been going?
Omo, the matter long.
I said no, now you have me to now talk to my car.
Aye. I don't need to plus up.
I just say no, don't do it, you know.
I don't make up my mind, oh, bro. I don't make up my mind.
Right, this plus up na for Marty the sweet, oh. You don't think about the consequences. Eh?
You don't understand, so you dey watch and you dey see all my mates them, they live for mansion. You see they see most of my mates, many of them they drive exotic cars where they see. That's still my mates. Then they carry the big bandits one of you carry.
Mighty.
So me I go one day here they wash toilet for you. Now what you want my
Right money. These people where they call, they don't pay the price.
Make me say if I pay that price. Make I pay that price. Who's don't tell me what I go do? Allow me pay out.
Wait, you serious? Oh?
How they play?
Okay. It's okay. Well, you said. As for me, I just want to finish off from this HT. We can pursue my dream as a man where I won't be. So I'll buy no exchange. You understand? Sharp answer. Acting.
Which one be as a man?
Why did you want to wine me? You don't do it, you don't know me as a man.
I need to wine you now.
As a man, I'm the general overseer of Yahoo. Accountant general of Yahoo Boiz. Without as a man, no transaction.
Wait. You try to tell me now, say, I go hustle now plus up. I go hustle now get my clients. I can't carry my money, can't go give one as a man. Who be as a man? Waiting be as a man.
Don't let me ask me who I was. You don't understand? See, the kind of money we're going to enter your house like this now. One time, you go like sleep for eye. 3 days, you never sleep. As pastor day, congregation no fit count that pastor as a man day. You understand me? Ordinary Yahoo boy no fit count as a man. Without as a man, no transaction. She dey feel me. Your own now, collect the blessings. Pay me diet, simple. Soft work. Wire transfer. Send us. Don't worry. When your matter, me around my own. One time, we'll buy no exchange. In wine. Okay. Deal.
I thought you said you're not going to disturb me.
I just wanted to hear the voice of this angel God sends my way.
Thanks for the compliment. But can I go back to work now?
Yeah, sure. Bye. The boss, I don't get her. She don't give me her number.
Wait till she talk.
She say she don't work and I say she come back from work, she to talk to me.
Where you? If you want cash out, you can need lock that girl before she disappear. You wait till I tell you so. Because me don't tell her as a man, say a ticket, it goes hungry.
Thank you, boss.
Where you understand what I tell you?
I understand you, boss. I understand. Thank you, boss. The boss. Thank you, sir.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey. Hey, baby.
Yes.
Going out tonight?
Yes, Daddy, I have a date.
Date? When have you had a boyfriend without telling me?
Daddy, it's nothing serious. You know, this is actually our first time outing, and he has been on my wall for some days now.
Your wall? Oof.
Daddy, your baby is now a lady. Just let me be a grown-up for tonight, okay?
Grown up for tonight?
Yes, Daddy, please.
Okay. Well, don't stay too long.
I won't. Daddy, will you miss me? You won't miss me. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye-bye.
Go.
Yeah.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you. Oh, you look good yourself.
Well, I try.
You try really well. So what do you do?
Well, I am an interior decorator.
Oh, that's nice. Well, I'm a techie. Tech.
You know, I like it when women talk about tech.
Really, you know,
Sure.
there are no artificial intelligence is smarter than the brain of a woman.
Okay, I see you, boss lady. So tell me.
Yeah.
Do you live alone?
I live with my dad. Yeah, I'm an only daughter of a widowed father. My mom died when I was still young, and I've not had any other siblings.
Well, I'm so sorry about that.
No, it's okay. Life goes on. Besides, my dad is both my mom and my dad put together.
Oh, I see. 2 in 1.
Yes, and I love that actually.
I see. Oh,
Thank you.
I know you don't have to.
Well, I want to.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for your patronage.
You're welcome.
Oba, how far now? How far the girl? I met her. This girl is too pretty to be sacrificed.
Wait till they walk you now. You dey craze? On top 20 meter you body. Why you dey do like this now? Before I carry you go meet Owuzo, you talk say you go fit do anything where you tell you may you do. No be so? So that's the way you tell you may you do you go do it. You dey hear me so?
Listen, when money, I beg, facing with me. I meet this girl. She pure. This girl na better girl. And the reason say I for even marry this girl.
Ogun kill. See, pick your phone You call that girl. Nah. Call her, tell her, make it come. You hear what I tell you so? Your papa.
Why money?
Hi, babe. There is something I need to talk to you about.
Well, I'm almost home. Can't say wait till later. You can talk later.
No. Can you please come back? There is something I want to give to you.
The gift. By this time?
Yes, it's very important. I promise you'd love it.
Well, just keep it for me. I'll pick it up tomorrow or some other time.
No. It cannot wait, honestly. It cannot. I have to give it to you today. Please.
Look, why money? I'm exhausted and I'm already close to our street. Look, in as much as I appreciate your gifts, I don't think I can come tonight.
Hey, babe. Yeah, you said you loved me now, right?
I do, but it's already late. And my dad is expecting me.
Come for me, please, I beg you. You'd love it, I swear. Just come, please.
Fine. Where are you?
Lekki.
Lucky. Why can't you just give me your address?
Hey, no, my place is just like 2 minutes from there, but I'll be there waiting for you already.
Sir, please take me to Fifth Floor.
So let me say, welcome to my humble abode.
So, my surprise gift.
Hey, relax. Have a seat.
So now, can you please
Give me a minute to surprise you.
Okay.
All right, then. Just a minute.
a minute? My brother, Santiago.
Oh, fine, go.
My name is...
Ada Washington. Tell me, we don't expect you to date it. Thank you for sponsoring my brother's date tonight.
You told him?
Well, let's have to tell everybody about my angel. I believe you'll meet the rest of my brothers soon.
Your brothers? Well, that's another surprise. Sorry, excuse me.
You can excuse me. Come on. What casual?
My dad.
Oh. Hey, just pretend that you're your way.
Hello, Daddy. Yeah, I'm still out, but Dad, I'm on my way. I'll be back. I'll be home soon, okay? Yeah, I promise. You don't have to worry about me. I love you.
Yeah.
So my gifts.
Hurry, come on. Be a lady. Let's go inside. Come on.
Is that where my gifts is?
Trust me.
Come on, babe.
Okay.
Sure.
So practically, accepting preferably that I want to show you if you don't. Hi. Yeah, this is for you.
I thought we already had booze tonight.
Hey, come on. My mom taught me to always give pretty girls something on their first date. Yeah. And please, would you accept this from a poor boy to a rich girl?
This stuff it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so... where is the surprise?
Hey, relax. Good things they say take time.
Why do you sound like all these Instagram motivational speakers?
Let's say, we'll try. You know, some gifts can change your life, right?
Well, I hope it's worth coming back all the way halfway home for.
Let's see. You like the drink?
It's strong.
Strong, right? For a strong girl. Got
Oh my God.
You like it?
You. No, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
Hope you like it.
Could you help?
Yeah, sure. Here, come here. Okay, yeah, let's do this. Ooh, let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. Oh, the hair's much. Okay.
Done?
Perfect.
Thank you.
Sure. Hair back.
Thank you so much.
You're
I
welcome.
really appreciate this one money.
I'm glad you like it.
So, by the way, why white money?
Oh, okay. Back in secondary school, my dad ran a bureau de change. So, I've always been the one holding the foreign currencies. So,
Are you
white money.
serious?
Yeah.
At a little age?
Well, we've been hustling for a while. You know, there's something about you, your energy. I mean, whenever I'm around you, I just want to keep being around you.
Please. I've had a long day at work. My brain is fried.
My goodness, and you still shine.
Stop it.
No. Damn.
Yeah. So, why interior decoration?
Oh. Well, I'll say this. I think it helps me tell stories in ways that I don't have to really do verbally.
Do you understand? Like, that is the same passion I have for tech.
I see.
And it just helps me build things that matter.
You seem to be a lady that knows what she wants. You good?
Yeah,
You okay? Are you good?
tired.
No, wait, relax. If you're not good, you don't have to be in a hurry. Just relax, wait, hold on. Oh God, you don't have to be in a hurry, okay? Relax. Good, relax. Relax. You good?
Where is this girl? Why is she not picking up her calls? Adam, pick up your phone now. Oh. She's not, look. After 10. She's not used to staying out this late.
Lord of the Sound Town. No sacrifice.
No success.
No sacrifice.
No success.
No sacrifice.
No success.
No sacrifice.
No success.
Sure. For here again. Who be this one? I collect this one now. As you carry come out there, just say break that scene, you hear me?
Yes, boss.
No sacrifice.
No success.
No sacrifice.
No success.
Finish waiting you start.
go tell you say, honest speaking, say no one straight. You want go straight. You want this. You want live God in life. Don't use you. But you're supposed to.
Adam. On my name. On the name of your mother before you. I swear. You will not be committed to Mother Earth until I fish out everyone who did this to you. They have blocked the apple of my eyes. It will get stuck in their truth until they bite the dust. This is my vow to you.
That might be it was. She said she dey come cough. I won't carry and go this blow. We dey go. You don't understand?
We should break that for we get big dash.
Okay, you know what? Not my just say you like take me out. You want take me out.
Oh, that's particular.
You want take me out.
But that's sure, pa.
Big guys will put you for a while.
Make me kill it. Oh, that. Why the you know? By gee. What good?
Everywhere good. Everywhere good.
Buy no.
White money.
Buy no. Buy no. Gee, how far? I hear you. Money. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, based on what you did, so
So.
you know, say normally I for talk ladies and gentlemen.
Our ladies on day.
But I want to introduce you now to the latest cash out king.
Yes, so
For this HK.
wife money.
No other person than my brother. White money.
Boss of all bosses.
When I see as I know shout am,
You don't shout out.
the money is white.
Who they want?
Who the
No man.
The body white. The body white.
Baba, salama for you. See, my two hands they up.
Oh, G. My leg join herself. Oh, G.
Hey, pour me that drink now.
What is that word?
What did they drink? Yeah, this one. Drink coffee on the
Fine, carry cup now.
You know me, I know to like
Drink cup.
baby, they chose.
They want to make money. They don't come to trouble, so.
Man, you be.
Now, man, you be.
Money they talk. Boss of all bosses.
If you do good, you go buy. If you do bad,
you go buy things. You go buy.
why you go buy poor?
But it all goes.
Fine.
It all goes. I fuck up. It all goes.
No level pass somewhere they do so.
It all goes.
Now that's the matter they be now.
Rubber, we did shut down.
Pleasure tonight.
Shut down.
Yeah,
Santi. Oh, boy.
Shut down.
Now you lead me there. Whitey, lead.
Dori man.
Clear road for Whitey.
You get bond with on top.
Bundle.
Now, Bondul by Bondul. Come on, who there?
Your father there. Don't go.
One time.
Where go use land there? I dey come, I go full and they come.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Sure. Now me they drink, now you come the high. What do you mean by saying you see person inside your house now?
Sansi, you don't see me like this before. No, tell me you don't see me like this before. And the picture anytime inside my house. I see my picture, my own picture. I see am for work. Don't cancel am red. Red. I see that one never day enough. I walk out go in my birthday. I see far head. Serve am for plates.
We shine rough play with this one, and who do this one?
I don't know. Do what they pay me past now. They even write down for my picture saying, I am coming for you. The person they threaten me.
How person take enter your bedroom when you know they house?
That's why I don't know. Before I come out, I lock my door by myself. I lock am. Nobody get key to that room. Nobody. So who want enter there? I tell you this thing no pure. Santi no pure. I know what you see, Santi. I know what you see. What do you want to do?
We're gonna go meet or what's up with that?
Yeah, na mo dey go abeg.
You know if you go for nights now, you know they look outside. Tomorrow we go.
Santi, what could get night? What they go now?
I say tomorrow we go. Now Santi tell you, go upstairs. If you sleep here tonight.
What approaches you is not a man's spirit, but a harbinger of death. An envoy sent by Rot itself.
A harbinger of death. From where now?
How?
This force carries a depth written in blood and vow, and will seize at nothing except your death.
My death? I have not even enjoyed the fruit of my labor. Now, this is not what we planned for.
To stand against the unseen forces, seeking to send you to an early grave, you must exchange the light you carry for a stronger flame.
Are we saying we have to do another ritual? But this is not what I planned for. I mean, we didn't plan for this.
The python that swallowed the porcupine never knew that the quills of the porcupine will bust its stomach. to ward off the unseen spirit that seek your early grave. Take this oil and rub it all over your body. It is a strong repellent against unseen forces. The battle has just begun.
Babao, I won't take fight this darkness now. See, you don't get what we fit do.
I know, but the life is better now. It's not like when we used to be peasants everywhere. But it's... Can I call you back, please? Who are you and what are you looking for in my bedroom? I said, who are you and what are you doing in my bedroom?
I am a drum that beats without a drummer. The knife that carves without a hand. The thunder that strikes before lightning is seen. I am Caesar. White money. You should have stayed aware.
Just that I will send money just now, yes. Okay. Oh, yeah. Just feel small. I'll call you back.
Your name is Pascal. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. And repeat after me. I will give to Caesar.
I will give to Caesar
what belongs to Caesar.
What belongs to Caesar?
May Sola, may he continue to the rest in peace.
Amen.
Pascal! God, Pascal, just go. Just like that. After all the whole hustle. Well, I be say Pascal die just like that. You know goes now. Could make sense. Pascal.
Mom be say how electric they shock. Eh? How electric they shock, huh?
He pay me. Pascal that he pay me. When a soldier, a soldier know they die. Also go continue. That's so it be.
If to say white money be share money, give everybody. Everywhere from Marama now, everywhere for Jollof. We don't come out here now. I swear to God, I the hold white money responsible. Now I take us this thing. Exactly. Now I take us some.
Exactly. No make sense. Which one be other one now? Where you move? Find who they made that noise for up. China.
Okay, sir.
Find who they made that noise for outside. Don't come back inside. No find them more.
Who be that? I said, who be that? I said, who be that?
I am Caesar, the one whose daughter you persecuted. Look into my eyes. Nehemiah Boranya. And repeat after me. I will give unto Caesar.
I will give unto Caesar.
What belongs to Caesar?
What belongs to Caesar?
Now, by your own hands, take your life.
Uzo, this man is not giving up at all. I mean, this man is attacking me physically now.
Caesar is a very dangerous man. You shouldn't have touched his daughter.
How was I supposed to know that this girl in question is his daughter?
There is only one path left for you now.
And what is it? What can we do?
You must break his vow.
How?
Listen, you must find the girl's dead body from wherever it's been laid. Take and bury her with your own hands. That is the only way you can break the promise that binds him.
Are you for real?
Be informed that Caesar was once an active grandmaster of an occult group. And if he shows up like this, it only means death, destruction, and doom.
I'm ready. I am ready. I'm ready now. I'm ready.
Who be there?
Ofe.
How far, my nigga? What's this up? It's showing the black bars like this. You don't finish your parko.
Oh, boy.
I be.
Oh, boy, no.
I follow me talk now.
No, the reason which are the reason.
And this one pretty quiet here, they fall like fly. One reason I tire, man. I'll take away.
First, and Pascal.
Pascal.
China come follow. And waiting they vex me for this whole thing, they say, Santiago choose they act like say nothing is up. You know, see him. Listen him now. He pure.
Wait. But for sure, you think we had a thing so?
Oh, but I don't think I'm tired. I don't think I'm tired. What if, hold on, what if Santiago, they use boys plus up? What if they use boys run plus?
That's what matter you talk so.
You see him now.
And that one we say we don't safe at all. We feel the next, so everybody don't finish now.
Did you talk I'm small? See, if you ask me, I think just come back. Make me front him. Make me front him until they hot. Sharply.
When they like this?
Money man white they carry ban his commot. Carry ban his commot.
Yo, go there. If Santiago handle this matter, I go kill her myself. Me, buy no. I go kill her.
See, Allah, baby fair. If na Santiago they run this thing, I go choke him knife for belly. And you go die. You go if you catch me, bro. I dey tell you. My leg know they lie, you know they feel me. I go choke him, he go die. Let me talk to me, fair. I go choke him, and he go die. You go if you work for me, I go choke him, he go die.
I'll talk soon, I won't see me.
See, Santiago, forget this your calm face. You no go walk. See, redeem your HK. Men just they fall like say they be chicken. Pascal, don't go. China, join now. And you just calm like say nothing is up. Santiago, what thing they happen now? Pure stay, what thing is up? Hey, HK with that, you don't lose guard. You know goes now. No goes.
Santiago, where your people now? Look up, let me be your buy no. You know say normally I go ask. Santi, what thing they saw? Huh? Make you follow us talk, like they carry boys the plus or.
Papa play also make we know. Make we know.
You understand?
Make we know now.
As me, Santiago.
And just I use my men plus or.
Follow us talk now.
We want the show waiting the stop Santiago. No be this no be long thing. Just tell us.
So now I feel so happy as my men just stay for. Money where they work for, they no feel shop am. Everybody who did this circle now my trusted lieutenant. So as men just stay for you, think say me are happy.
See, if you dey claim say you don't know how far, then mean say we guys act fast. We guys act fast though, and the truth be say now two are the pity. Cause Santiago look me where. Me, Mofo Lua, aka Mofo Bantin. I guide. Santiago, I guide. Look me where look my leg. Like every day my leg. You know they sleep, you know they slumber. Santiago, you know they fail me. So you see the two of you. And I repeat it. If you want, act. If you want, just act. I don't talk when we finish. Oh, wow.
Also, I came to ask for something else.
Have you got another client?
No. This man seemed to be very, very serious. I don't want to die before my time. I want to tighten up.
Tighten up? What a smart idea.
Yes. I want to tighten up. I want to make sure I enjoy the fruits of my labor. I don't want to die by the side.
You want to subdue who?
want to subdue this Caesar man. I want to be on par with him. I and him, the same powers.
You better be careful what you seek. There is only one man that knows the secret of Caesar, and only him can stop him.
Also, how do we get this man? What is the secret behind this man? What do we have to do to get this man?
He is Uzo, the one that sits right beside you.
What do we do then?
You will be cooked for 3 days. You shall sleep in the cemetery for 7 nights, and you will drink your urine for 3 days.
Also, which one is sleeping in the cemetery and drinking urine?
That is not all. You shall eat poop from the toilet. You shall swallow maggots for food. And you shall consume the egg of cockroaches according to the number of your age and how long you wish to live.
This is not what I signed up for.
Then again you shall bathe naked in the junction, market square, and around about. And after all of this is done, I shall give you one more task. And with this assignment, you will become invincible and in par with Caesar. And why do you seek for powers when you cannot fulfill this elementary task?
Also, you call this elementary task?
You've got 7 days. 7 days to fulfill all of these obligations. Else, do not mention this to me ever again.
Show off the Margato. You are who we are. We are Ruka. Ruta. La. Ah. Closa. Ah. Gosh. Deitika. Raho. Marika. Kaku. Hikala. Ita. Reiko Kisha. Mohi, Ikihila Haka, Yahoo, Ikiwa, Yukikimu Pikala Hakiski, Kraya, Mofaki, is here. When the storm rises, you shall go through it. Huinge, Hart, Kashmoa, Lahaia. Shoka, Close your eyes. We are sure. Go here. Rock here. Huh? Rock here. From now on, you are no longer you are now a demigod because you have been fortified. You have paid a price that very few people dare to pay. You are no longer an ordinary man. Rise. You are now indestructible. You are untouchable. You are Kuhika Hasha Ekule Iku Akaya Rekuho Shukakul Are Hakere Ikakukia.
I am the crocodile that locks the black waters. I am the python that grows without fear. I am the lion that goes to forest without no rival. Who are you?
I am the lion killer. I am Caesar, the one whose daughter you sacrificed.
How dare you come into my bedroom?
Look into my eyes.
Never.
Look into my eyes.
Never!
I said, look into my eyes.
I only listen to one person, and that's Owuzo. Every other voice to my ears, a noise! Where are you? Come out! Come out, let me show you who I am. If I come outside now, I'll go peace for your body. I'll go peace for your body. Come outside.
For this reason, your soul shall travel ahead of you through locked doors and brick walls to find the body of the dead girl, Ada, and bring her for one final funeral. You shall return in 24 hours. Beyond this, your soul will never reclaim your body, and you will be condemned to the eternal sleep of death. Oh shit. Just come Do you accept these terms and conditions? Accept. So shall it be.
I'm stolen from no man. And if there be any I took it, then I return it. My hand does not touch evil. I stepped away from it. I want to see who ever came to my room. How did the person get access? I want to see it now. Who took my daughter? My lovely angel. Show me now.
Ada. Ada.
I have come to bear your soul to eternal rest.
You are the gods to come in here. Take my daughter. You have crossed the boundary. More fair. Rise. More fair. Rise. More fair. Come to me now. More fair, come to me now. More fair.
I'm coming, Master.
Come forward. More fair. Come forward. More fair. Come to me now.
I wish I was eating up now. Wait till I'm already good by this time, like this. Okay, I won't break my leg. When you rest, where do you go?
He's calling me.
Where do you? Who do you call you now?
More fair. Come forward.
I'm coming, Master.
Okay, which master? Relax.
When? Come out from my road.
More fair. Come forward.
I'm coming, Master.
They call me. It's
When?
me. Okay, sit down.
When? Come off my road. Come off my road. When? Come off. Come
off
my road. Come off my road.
What's that? I was saying that Prague. But a Prague always still break my heart. Buffet. I believe by this time. Buffet. Buffet. We will rest soon. say I go try. I tell you, I'm feeling the year word. I'm feeling the year word.
Trump be say you try. Now you know drag and jack am.
See, you know me now. Since we don't know the boy, oh boy, no, I wanna. You know the year word now.
Nah, if you lighter now, you lighter make brain for research now.
At least it's in a prank when he started nonsense. So this madness, that is not a prank.
This kind of prank go make your fellow man waka for night. Leave you for house waka for night. Yeah, you talk to it, saying a prank.
For nights. When you go, I don't know.
Smarter don't ready. You don't ready. I need find white money. We need go see also. You don't ready. We're ready.
Hey! No fair.
White money. Appear now. White money. I summon you to appear now. White money. I summon you, body, soul, and spirit, to appear before me now.
Brother.
All I do. Everybody with around me just like my like shaking. Waiting even was partner say when I come the point finger, they give me, say me I go off my own man. Brother. The truth we say this one are your faults. We day you watch 1, 2, and then 3. They off, you don't do anything about that.
How I take no now? How me I won't take no say this kind of thing go happen now? I be at the first time we person they plus off my HK be this.
Suppose no say this man no go stop. This man no get plan to stop at all. But you know what you know, me and you, we can stop him. If we come together, we go do and we go stop him. But I say you know, so this man for don't buy me for so long. If not be a wuso. If not no victory. No matter long. Before you come, men don't day. We don't run things. The consequences don't bite my hand on full like this. I don't feel too more. So now you try to tell me, say, instead of no consequences, they pile. Prepare me sansan, they pile on top your 6 feet, Abby. to go meet Ozo with that.
Normal.
Babao! Babao! Babao!
When you did that? I don't know now. I know they took commercial right now. Yeah. You think Mogo won't come back? No. I tell you, say, you know, they took commercial. Even if you waka, I know waka too far. We go for she away for him now.
That matter the plus for another person.
She whether now another person there inside.
What's on, Sham?
See now, Jasmine don't die soon now. Please, don't kill me. Please, don't kill me. I'm not saying my sacrifice. It's what money and Santiago, sir. I have nothing to do with this place. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me, sir. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
I don't kill people. I don't have any powers to forgive sins.
Forgive me, sir.
I can only fast forward people's lives to where they can receive their dues.
I'm innocent, sir. Sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me, sir. Please don't kill me.
You can go. Go.
Yes, thank you, sir.
I said go. How many are you in your family?
It's just me.
Just you.
It's just me, sir.
Is your father alive?
He's dead, sir. He's
Father is dead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll send you to him to dance for him. Then after you dance for me.
Please, sir. Please don't kill me.
Look into my eyes.
Yes, sir.
I said look into my eyes. What is your name?
Obino.
Now, repeat after me. I will give unto Caesar.
I will give unto Caesar.
What is Caesar's?
What is Caesar's?
Now, dance for me. Obino, you can do better than that.
Yes, sir.
You can do better than that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Obino, you
Yes,
can do
sir.
better than that.
Yes, sir. And that is, sir.
You can do better than that.
Yes. Yes.
Now dance unto your eternity.
Why money now you? You don't carry your bad luck, don't spoil everything I don't build. Not twist that move. Now you carry me go water, I don't fit swim. If I no price swim that water, I for don't buy. I said not that. Now your bad luck, now in the workers.
Santi, no be white money before be this, so make you know how you dey talk to me.
You sure that all right, Abi? You sure that all right, eh? You just say I don't know, say you don't go for corner, go tight up.
If it's easy to tight up, why you no tight up?
Okay, I talk am. You sure that all right? I go show you saying that me, Santiago. Now I carry you when you never pick nothing, eh? I carry you go meet also. So that thing when you say you sabi, eh? Inside that your Avia, another Avia thing inside.
Inside of my Avia, another Avia dey inside Abi.
Why you going to run inside market now? You dey run for inside market like woman with the porch. Why? Why you dey run? Tell me why. Who be this one, Papa? Again? Hello?
Shit, what they play? What they play?
Bro, what's the play? Caesar! You know match line! I said you know match line! But at the last time, be this. Because this will buy no death. He paid me! He paid me, but at the last time. And I swear by the name when my mama give me, when my mama give me when she born me, I don't go rest until you buy. Any person when no Caesar, make he warn am. Make he tell Caesar say, Santiago, I dey find am come. I call on you to bring a strong wind over my enemy. Clothe him with confusion and cause him to dance to the music of madness. Messengers of Ogun, strike him with fire and lightning. Gatekeepers of hell, strike my enemy with 1,000 fists.
He who is down fears no fall.
You lie. Messengers of the Sun God, strike him with hell and storm.
Morehead, protect your own from your wings of your eagles.
Coward! Where are you? I dare you, come out and fight!
Where is he?
I don't know.
Where is white money?
I said I don't.
Look into my eyes. Now repeat after me. I will give unto Caesar what belongs to Caesar.
I will give unto Caesar what belongs to Caesar.
You know, enough of all of this. Let's try this man to man.
Sir, you want to fight with your papa?
My papa is in the house.
Right. If that's the way you want it, so be it.
Yeah.
Where is my daughter's body?
Okay, Caesar. She's somewhere. I haven't seen you with your conscience. Oh, wait. You don't have one. You don't have a conscience.
You think your Chong will save you? I ask again, where is she?
Oh, okay. She's where your manhood lies, sleeping in the cold, empty, and dead. Yeah, right.
Don't play games with me. You know what I can do.
Oh yes, I know what you can do. I've seen dead dogs back louder than you're backing before they drown. You wanna know, right?
Help me up. I'll tell you. Help me up first. I'll tell you, I promise. I will. Help me up. Careful, Caesar!
I can spare you if you tell me where you kept her corpse.
I swallowed her. I swallowed her. Yes, I did. I swallowed her. All of her.
Drink. You surely need the strength to speak.
Caesar, my boy! You have just been baptized by your own failures.
Using my daughter to plus up was the worst gamble you ever took. I want you to know there is a difference between a picker and a zaman. Today, you will know why I am called the Lord of Sacrifice.
It is better to be buried alive than to feed your peace with the truths you so dearly need.
Today, you will never see the sunlight unless I know where you kept my daughter.
Caesar! Look at you! The big, bad, toothless wolf. The puppy that is toothless. Let me tell you something you don't know. If you were the last of a man in this whole wide world, I'd rather die than bow to you. Yes!
Where is my daughter? Where did you keep her?
Where did you keep my daughter's corpse?
Answer me!
Careful, puppy. Careful. If you bark too loud, you might just be waking up the beast inside of me.
You broke the vow and refused to honor your covenant.
No. You know me, I keep to my words.
You lie. You promised me a peaceful burial and never did.
I took vengeance on those who masterminded your cruel death.
The greatest vengeance is to honor your vow.
Look, I promise to give you a peaceful and befitting burial once the last person goes down.
then take him down.
He has kept the truth away from me. He has not let me know where he kept your body. Once he does, the burial will proceed.
You blinded my eyes with the mirror of the mortal. How then do I tell you where my body is kept?
He has refused to let me know the truth.
Over here, the queue is lengthy, and the journey is far. I have been waiting on the junction of uncertainty for too long.
Give me time, please.
Over here, time is eternal. The next time I come, I will take your life in return for the broken vow.
Tell me where you kept my daughter and I'll give you whatever you want.
He wants to give me whatever I want. I want vengeance for the death of your wife, John. Yes, I want vengeance for how she screamed. How she screamed without a voice when you offered her like a goat on the altar. That's what I want.
My sins are forgiven, and Joan is resting in peace.
Liar! I want an open confession. I want you to confess and the whole world to know Caesar sacrificed his wife for ritual purpose.
Isong inendemo. Isong inendemo. Edisanga. Tidayami. Wad menusong. Bememin. Pugmin.
My son, the secret you seek is between Caesar and Ouzo. Like Ouzo, Caesar is a grand master of the dark arts, a name respected by angels and feared even by the most dreadful demon. However, things fell apart.
Priestess of the Most High, thank you. Please permit me. I am lost in your wisdom. Can you help me find my way?
Caesar lost the plot. He wanted to become the sole heir of the spiritual order. He was so desperate. But
he wasn't qualified for that great seat. For this, he gave his wife, but couldn't give his daughter, for he considered her untouchable. Now listen, for Caesar, his daughter is the ultimate pride.
Priestess of the Most High, I am finding it hard to understand the connection between Caesar and Owuzo.
Isong ilindemo. Ate isong ilindemo. Owuzo is doing the will of Caesar, for he must give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. To bring Caesar down, you must first put Owuzo to sleep.
Permit me, Priestess of the Most High. Owuzo, that I know is a very powerful man. How can I put Owuzo to sleep?
My son, every man has a weakness, and that weakness is a window for his downfall.
So, how do I put Owuzo to sleep?
Leave it for me. Don't worry yourself. But remember, bringing Owuzo down is only a battle half won.
Deny it! You killed your wife. Deny it.
I didn't know. I had no choice. You hear me? I had no choice.
Liar! You had a choice. Every man chooses the bloods on his hands.
I did not kill my wife. I did not kill my wife.
You did! You wanted to become the sole head of the spiritual order. Look at you. The almighty Caesar! Now shiver like a lost puppy.
I do not care what you use against me, but I will never allow my conscience to mess me up. Where is my daughter? I want to see my daughter.
Look at you. The almighty Caesar. Frustrated like a puppy. A toothless puppy. Look at you.